Good Sunday evening to everyone out there. I'm Alex Puckett in the WVUA 23 Weather Center. A lot of stuff going on here in the Weather Center, so let's go ahead and get right to it. This is satellite radar for this afternoon and evening. Most of the rain today has stayed east of I-65 and mainly south of I-20. You see a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity over near the Alabama-Georgia state line towards Alexander City, Auburn, places like that. We had an upper-level disturbance move through the area, and it sort of parked in East Alabama this afternoon, so that's where the focus for most of the convection has been today. Been a couple of showers and thunderstorms across West Alabama, but a lot of us were dry. But don't worry, more rain on the way this week. High temperatures today were in the upper 80s and low 90s across central Alabama. Now we're watching the tropics. One area of interest to us is this right here, Invest 97L. That's what the National Hurricane Center calls these things before they develop into tropical depressions, tropical storms, or hurricanes. We've been watching this tropical wave as it moves through the Caribbean Sea. National Hurricane Center gives this only about a 40% chance of development into a tropical cyclone within the next 48 hours, but within the next 5 days, a 70% chance. I want to break down exactly why. Right now, this is moving through an area where there's going to be some issues for tropical development. Wind shear is increasing as it continues to move westward, and it's moving through an area with two land masses fairly close to it. And during the peak of the summer here, those land masses are going to be much warmer than the water around it. That means that the area that the storm is in a relative high pressure, and there's relative low pressure in those land masses, and that causes winds to diverge near the surface where the storm is. That's not good for thunderstorm development, and it's not good for tropical storm development. However, as this continues to move westward, it gets past that wind shear towards the Yucatan Peninsula. It's in much better conditions. It's very low wind shear, which is good for tropical storm development, and it'll be in an area of relative low pressure again. So good warm sea surface temperatures. Expect this to develop into a tropical storm. The good news is I don't expect any direct impact on the state of Alabama. Forecast model consensus right now, and it's a very good consensus, that this will be more of a Mexico issue, maybe as far north as the southern tip of Texas, but no direct impacts to the state of Alabama from this system. That's good news. Futurecast showing, again, a few scattered showers and thunderstorms on Monday. I think it's underdoing the rain on Monday. Monday afternoon and evening. We could be dealing with rain up until about 11, 12 o'clock at night. And the same for Tuesday, hot, humid, and scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. That's going to be a repeating pattern over the next few days. The rest of your evening, low of 74 tonight, partly cloudy, storms ending by at least midnight, if not a bit earlier. And then tomorrow, scattered showers and thunderstorms once again in the afternoon. Hot and humid, 94 your high. Those heat index values going to be in the triple digits. And that's going to be basically the forecast for the next 7 days. Not much changing on the board there. Temperatures in the mid-90s, lows in the mid-70s, and scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the next 7 days.